Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to quickly set up your Kiwibit Bird Feeder 2 Pro. Use the timestamps to jump to any section you need. Let's get started. First, open the battery compartment cover. Take it out and remove the insulation sticker. Fully charge the camera before setup. Yellow means charging, and green means fully charged. Next, scan the QR code to download the Kiwibit app. Once installed, open the app, create your account, and log in to get started. Then, attach the dual seat hopper and roof to the feeder body. Next, insert the solar roof plug into the charging port. Please press the plug in firmly until it reaches the indicator line marked on the plug to make sure it is fully connected and can charge properly. Now, open the battery compartment cover, put the battery back to power the bird feeder on. You'll hear a repeated ding sound, indicating that the bird feeder has entered pairing mode. If you don't hear it, double press the power button to ensure the camera is ready to pair. Once pairing mode is active, open the app and tap Add Device to begin setup. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device. The app will automatically search for the bird feeders in pairing mode. Then, tap on Pair the device, choose a 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz network for it to connect to, and ensure the password is entered correctly for a successful connection.
Connection successful.
Finally, follow the instructions in the app to complete the setup. Assign a name to your bird feeder and set its location. Success! Your Kiwibit Bird Feeder 2 Pro is now ready for use. Once the setup is complete, the bird feeder will appear on the app's home page, where you can access it anytime. If you need to connect to a new Wi-Fi network later, double-click the power button to force it into pairing mode, and follow the previous steps again to connect it. Thanks for watching. If you need more support or detailed guides, visit us at kiwibit.com/support.